This simple guide will show you how to create an AWS VPC or Virtual Private Cloud. Setting up a VPC is essential for managing and securing your cloud resources effectively. Whether you're an experienced user or new to AWS, this guide will help you navigate the process with ease, ensuring your infrastructure is both isolated and secure. To start, you'll need to log into your AWS Management Console. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top search bar. Here, type in VPC and select the option labeled VPC, which stands for Isolated Cloud Resources. This area of the AWS console is where you'll manage your private network settings. Now, before you proceed any further, it's important to check the active region displayed at the top right corner of your console. AWS offers multiple regions, and you need to make sure the selected region is where you want your infrastructure to be located. This decision can impact latency, cost, and compliance, so choose the region that best suits your needs. With your region set, it's time to create your VPC. Look for the prominent orange button labeled Create VPC. This button is your gateway to setting up your virtual network. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to add some details about your new VPC. Here, you'll define key attributes like the name of the VPC and the IPv4 CIDR block, which is essentially the range of IP addresses that your VPC will use. When adding these details, remember that the name should be something meaningful, especially if you're managing multiple VPCs. It will make it easier to identify later on. As for the IPv4 CIDR block, AWS provides a default option, but you can customize it according to your network requirements. Just ensure it doesn't overlap with any existing networks you have to avoid any potential conflicts. After you've entered all the necessary details, review them carefully. Double-check that all the settings align with your intended configuration. If everything looks good, go ahead and click on the Create button. AWS will take a few moments to provision your new VPC, and once it's done, you'll have a fully functional virtual network ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully created an AWS VPC. From here, you can start adding subnets, route tables, and configure security settings to further tailor your network to your specific needs. Remember, a well-structured VPC is the backbone of a robust and secure cloud infrastructure. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and happy cloud computing.